Hey guys, and welcome back. Does your car have that perfect exhaust note for cruising down the highway with no drone and just the right amount of rumble? Do you wish it was louder when you were at swap meets, car shows, and cruise-ins? Me too. Let's fix that. So I'm going to get some parts together and make me some manual exhaust cutouts, and then I'll save up a little bit and get the electric plate that bolts onto that someday. Probably not. And that way when we do cruise-ins and things, you just have it a little bit louder. So I'm cheap and I'm not going to buy $100 cutouts because it's $100 for a couple pieces of pipe and some flanges and things. And well, I think I can build that myself. To the scrap bin. Ryobi belt sander is just about the same diameter here as my pipe. So I'm going to use that to fish mouth. And as you can see, it makes a great fish mouth. I'm going to go ahead and put it on pipe over here. If I can get that to stop rolling with one hand, you can see that it's pretty damn close. So what I've done here is take a piece of 2.5 inch pipe, and I found some 3-inch collector flanges that came with the headers I bought. So I just rolled, focus is there, I just rolled that out. You can see my marks on there. I just used a crescent wrench, kind of, folded this over, pulling it back like this, and kind of worked it flat with the hammer, and then did it again, worked it flat with the hammer. What that did was that allowed me to lay that on the backside there, get it pretty close to where I want it, and then I just welded on the back. So as my exhaust comes down from the cat and goes to the X pipe, this is going to go right there. And I've got these oriented like so I can one day maybe bolt the plates on there. And then I got my 1/4 inch here. I'm going to make plates, block off caps, whatever you want to call them. And some grade 8 hardware. I'll probably tack that on the back, slide this on, some lock washers, and some wing nuts. With all that, I should be able to be, what am I, 25 bucks into this, and I got my shit where I like it, instead of paying and trying to, hack some things in there. What I'll do is I'll put this where I want it, and I'll trace the line out, and then I'll drill a hole, and then work it with a little die grinder to make my hole a little bigger, and then I'll glue that on there and bolt her up. It should be pretty simple. Let's get back to cutting. Got the exhaust welded up and painted. Use my exhaust color paint, metallic aluminum. Works pretty good on all the exhausts I do. Makes it look like aluminized color. Let it dry. Flip it over, coat it again, let it dry. It's nice and hot today, so get that back in the car, and we're going to take these little guys off and see what it sounds like. And they'll probably stay off until I get some copper washers in there, or gaskets. Well, here we are. We got both of these installed. Took the caps off. I'm going to try to blow out the onions, or whatever the kids say nowadays. I'm going to try to blow out all the junk in there. Rewrapped them, hung it up, and we're going to fire it up and see what it does. Well, that was pretty easy and only cost me $20 or so to put in there, and should give me loads of fun. Hopefully I inspired you to get out there and build something instead of buy it. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.